Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold the power key, and once you will get the little window right here with the options to restart or power off, slide it down to power off. And then once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. And when OPPO logo shows up on the screen, let go of the power key and keep holding volume down. And when you see the language selection page, from here, simply tap on the language that you wish to use. And there we go, we are in recovery mode. So in here, you can do a couple different things. We can install updates from storage or do an online update, wipe data, reboot, or power off the device. Now under wipe data, we have two options. We have wipe data, which doesn't wipe data because it retains contacts, messages, and photos. And then we have format data, which, well, does actually what it's supposed to do. And yeah, that's basically all the options we have here. So once you're done and you want to leave, simply select restart or reboot, and this will boot you back into the Android operating system. And here we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.